How to add users to MaxelTracker dashboard. Please note that MaxelTracker comes with two modes, stealth mode and interactive mode. If you are using the interactive mode of MaxelTracker, then this guide is for you. After creating your organization, you need to visit the user section and invite everyone through email. As you send the invite, you can assign team roles and even select their department. And if you'd like to invite multiple people at once, use the bulk user section. Once invited, team members receive login details and app files compatible with their operating system, allowing them to download the app and start tracking time immediately. You can check everyone's status anytime, resend invites, and enable tracking if someone hasn't downloaded the app yet. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help at MaxelTracker. Work smarter, not harder.